So V Rouleau's Christmas decorations, and how exciting. I'm always excited by Christmas, and because the lovely garlands that we have at V Rouleaux, so natural and everything looks straight from the garden, bring the outside inside, but it doesn't die, and they're all artificial. And this is a fantastic ivy leaf garland, and I'm going to show you all the different ingredients. That's our ivy leaf garland. These are just wonderful rose hips, beautiful rose hips, very realistic. Those will go on the fireplace, on the staircase too. And this is a very red berry garland. So I'm literally going to wind it round there first of all, and I'm going to take a piece of my wire, covered wire. This is amazing, this ivy garland, because it's got loops. So you just loop it in, and you're going around your staircase. I'm just going to tie with my string, and you just twist. It's not difficult. As you can see, I've got one great big long line, and you think, what on earth's happening there? That is so I don't run out of my swag. So I'm going to swag it, and I might do a swag sort of halfway to start with, about here. So half the garland, and I'm just going to gather up my ivy. I've got my wire, and I'm putting it round the post, and I'm just going to twist once. That's it, done. Then I'm going to pick up the garland again, and I'm going to do that half to here. And so it should work out about equal all the way down your staircase. I'm hoping, but I think it will. Then I'm going to get my other piece here that's loose, and I'm going to attach this with my wire to here. We're going to have a very, very bright red berry garland to go inside the ivy leaves, and we've already got our attachment at the top, so I'm just going to push the end of the garland through there, and because it's wide I can just twist it back and it'll stay. And then I'm just going to bend the garland around into the shape, and these are all wide, so I can just position all the berries round and about. And then I'm going to mix in the ivy into the berries, and literally pull one berry back, put the ivy over, pull one berry back, put the ivy over, and attach the berries in amongst the ivy, so that it just all goes higgledy-piggledy and looks completely natural, as though it's growing in the garden. Because we love everything from outside inside, I would like to put in my fabulous rosehip garland from V Rouleaux into this whole staircase as well. So I would start at the top and fill in with the rose hip. And rose hips and all your lovely natural looking things do not need to be arranged too much. This just looks fantastic. In, out, higgledy-piggledy round about, pulling and titivating the berries out like that. And it looks wonderful when it's just placed simply like that, all spiggly. So we have pulled this out. See how we've arranged it backwards, forward, out, and like that. And so you can just plonk this into your fantastic staircase, and it looks again how you've just picked it from the hedgerows, higgledy-piggledy, not worrying about how it goes. If it looks a bit funny, we're just going to poke this round here and attach it to the ivy garland. If you always have a base, start with your ivy garland. If you've got that for every year, then every year you can change your displays and add in a new garland and invest in the first initial fantastic ivy garland, and then add to it every year. Then we're going to finish with the most amazing wire-edged ribbon. Two colours together in absolutely vibrant green and orange to go with our stunning berries and our lovely rose hips. V Rouleau's fantastic rose hips, berries, bringing the outside inside, wonderful garlands for your staircases, your tables, and your fireplaces. Always go back and check that it's in the right position and there aren't any backs of the leaves showing. Thank you for watching V Rouleaux's Christmas garlands for the staircase.